Hey guys, what's going on? Welcome back to Game Smasher. Today I will be playing FoRtNiTES and making the world's most dangerous ramp. Where is that? FoRtNiTES most dangerous ramp. And the reason I'm doing this right now is, I'll go back to that just in a sec, is because since it's FoRtNiTES doing updates, they've been vending machines that they're just for weapons or for traps for free. There's 3 over there, the normal ones, and 2 extras, and 2 extras over there as well, which we will see in a minute. Nope. Well, as you can see, I was playing soccer a little bit before the recording started, because it took a while for some reason to load up, so yeah. And today, if you hear some rustling sounds, it's kind of a bit of problems around where I live, so excuse that. So I have Triller, Spike, and Bounce. Then these 2 are unfortunately do not need, so I can just be doing this. This defeats it. This actually makes it so much easier. Oh no, I don't want to down. We will be doing a I will be doing a surprise to see at the end how many I have, how many traps I have, and take your guess in the comments. Never mind. Nope. There we go. I'm hoping I can get to at least 500, but I don't think I'll need that much. But if I have more than like 200, I'll make it a 3x3 or 4x4, and then race down on a quad crasher. So I feel like that's gonna be much more fun. I'll do this a bit more. Also, in the comments, if you want me to play any other games, I'm open to suggestions. Your support is definitely greatly appreciated. And place your guesses now, and sorry, place your guesses now for each type of trap. This makes it so easy than having to get the resources, because they usually are like at minimum 250-ish. Sorry, 225 for traps normally. So this makes it so much easier. So just remember that they come in stacks of 5s, so that way I'm going to have a lot more. Oh no. Oh, what a pick. About 20 more seconds. Glad that these don't have a limited amount of usages, or I would never get to do it. I'll go for another 20 seconds. Okay, this is your last chance to place those guesses. You have 10 seconds, and I will give you an extra 5. Last one. Okay. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Guessing has now closed. How much have I got? 165 of each. Well, that seems about right. But to be fair, that's a lot of traps. I did that for like 5 minutes and got that much. I'm just hoping I don't die my course. That would be sad. I'm just going to quickly get this care package because I usually have a lot of well, at least 200 building materials, and I'll quickly check that I didn't miss anything in the other vending machine. I was taking that breath before that sentence. And I wish I had turned gravity onto low. The lag is real. Oh, I found you. Oh, so no. I'm thinking care package. Oh, God, not care package. Llamas that give a lot of resources. Now, I'm pretty sure I saw a llama somewhere earlier, but I don't know. But so, 165 plus 165. 165. Yeah. I was gonna ask Siri, but I don't feel like doing that. Yep, just the same stuff. Oh, crossbow. I mean, I haven't got a chance to use it yet, so why not? I'll try it later, not now. I'm gonna roll, and I don't want to run out of time, so. And I guess I did not see them. No well. 310 from one tree. I think I'll be able to get to the latch. And I have max. But I'll also need max metal if I'm going to build to about 4 wide. And if need be, I'll just come back and get some more traps if need be. I did see a llama. I was going back. So the reason I never start on the home screen is because it always lags and doesn't let me into the game whenever I start with my recording on some reason. So that's why I've never started recording with that. Oh, well. Just gonna annoy me. I need a dance break. I need to go buy a frame tool. Excuse me? I told you to. I try something to do with a lot of lag. Well, excuse me, what are you doing, camera? I am gonna have to respawn because my character is glitching and yeah, okay. Oh, this bit. Here you go. Oh, it's not doing it. Help me. What? Okay, I'm gonna leave that because it's a bit creepy. Actually, can I? That hurt my car. Okay, building. On my way, tree. Speed up. Speed die. One of the two. I wish I had gravity on low. There you go. Oh, okay, that was just bad. I'm still gonna speed build. Hi, wormhole. All the way to the top. All the way. Should be at max height shortly. Wait. Wait. Oh no! It's not gonna let me place then, is it? Me. I'll just quickly. Okay, I'm able to place. Okay, certainly. These spikes. Unfortunately, wait. For sure, I'm not gonna be able to do spike traps, but I can do everything else. Since since I've done a few videos like this time I'm gonna be flying off the edge. And I can place this here. I'm gonna make obstacles. Oh god. You gave me a chance. Oh god. God. I got it when I move. Actually, no, I didn't want to. Okay. Just make it a bit more fun to get this. Okay. Shall we start? Yes, we shall. That looks fun. Let me boost. Problem is with the chillers, it's going to freeze the wheels. So make it half me. Let's go. I don't want. Maybe I should get rid of. Yeah. I could just go this way. Don't worry, I'm building up speed. Speed. Okay. Well, my wheels haven't. Wait, have they? Haven't frozen, so that's a great thing. No, don't fall off. Game Smash, get a hold of yourself. We're doing it! Well, I'm gonna end my video here. Hope you enjoyed. The only reason I did that was because... Wait, why am I know I'm speaking an accent is because I'm out of time, unfortunately. I will see you next time. Like and subscribe if you haven't already. Thanks for watching and see you next video. Goodbye.